everybody, that wraps the video. Can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time there's a new video. Also, comment what you thought of the drawing. Don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Mahito, Todo, and Itadori. Hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing. It looks super cool in the anime, and I'm super happy with the outcome of the drawing. I'm super happy with how it looks, pretty much exactly like how it does in the anime. So hope you all enjoyed it. And if you want to see more Jujutsu Kaisen drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I'm going to leave the answer drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out, because I'm sure you'll find some characters that I've drawn before they may really like, so make sure to check it out since we in the description. And I also have a drawing playlist there for Jujutsu Kaisen, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.